Okay, so I've just walked up here, and right above this willow, about 3 rod lengths up, is a fish that's actually holding underneath the undercut. And it's hard to see him where he's holding, but he swings out about 3 feet to his right to feed quite consistently. And so what I'm actually going to do is I'm tying on a cicada pattern, and I'm going to plop it out, and I'm going to see if he's going to come to it and take. It'll be a lateral line thing, but there's a really good chance that he will, because he's been feeding pretty aggressively, like 3 feet to his right. Hardest part will be getting into position.
That's a hell of a deep drop you're going to swim into.
It's deep below me, and I have to get down the bank without him seeing me and have a chance. So we'll see what happens. And the things that I know. And when I got in the water, this is kind of a bit of a back eddy, and the mud that I was pushing up was starting to go up into the fish, and I just said, Dave, I gotta go now, and I went now, and I got that fish. Otherwise, I think the mud would have spooked him off. Yeah, so I got this fish on the lateral line take, which is exactly what I was hoping for, and he came right out. And he had to drop, which he had been feeding to drop anyway. But it's the fight I actually want to talk about, because there was a log right here. As soon as I hooked up, I did reef him as hard as I can, but this log, he still managed. What happened is the tippet got wrapped around the log and the fish was still on. I managed to get the tippet off the log and got him out, but as soon as I did, I knew I had to reef on him, because look at that willow and that bush downstream. Reefed on him and brought him in as soon as I could. Surfed him on top of the water, and away you go.
The magic 2X, eh?
Yeah, you got to do that. I mean, in here, you have no chance otherwise. If you let him go, it's over.